enjoyed it so much in February, we're going in September.
Welcome to a new vlog series. Me and Josh are heading back to Disney World. Only been 6 months. We're in a complete Disney chokehold. All our disposable income is Disney's.
Yeah. We looked and September was a really good deal.
If you haven't got kids, September's good.
Right. Temperature while we're here. Right, it says
27
rain.
at night.
27 at night.
Very different to in February. February was cold, so we were actually excited to experience the heat this time. Staying at Pop Century. We're really excited to have the Skyliner.
Yeah, our most used parks were Epcot and Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, so it makes total sense for us. And we got engaged, as you guys might have seen, on the Skyliner. So we obviously loved the Skyliner. Flying from Birmingham to Melbourne, different to last time. So we'll show you guys this whole experience. What time did we get here?
We got here at 7 o'clock.
So it's currently 8:01. I've never seen security that dead in years of flying from Birmingham Airport, and our flight is at
9:45.
quarter to 10, so we're doing really good for time. We're currently in Giraffe,
but we can't have toast.
so they have bread, but not toast. Work that one out. Oranges, coffee and tea. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Big tea.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
The longest spoons I've ever seen in my life.
Huge. Melbourne from Birmingham, which is why we haven't had to travel down to Heathrow, which has really shaved off a lot of travel time, which is nice.
So I wasn't sure how it was going to work with the hotel transfer. Once we got to, I think it was 48 hours before, shows the journey it's going to take. So it will go from Melbourne, it will drop off at All Stars Sports, then Coronado, and then it goes to our hotel last. So at least you know where you're going to stop on the way.
It's a longer transfer than flying from MCO, so even though we get in at like 3, I don't think we'll be able to do anything until evening time.
But we paid last time.
Yeah, we paid for a transfer when we went from Heathrow to MCO
$80?
with Virgin.
$80?
And this is free with TUI, so it takes longer but it's free. It honestly feels like 2 days travel time when you go from London, because we're not local to London, but we are local to Birmingham.
There's a difference, like I feel a lot fresher.
And we don't have to pay for a hotel the night before.
But
I suppose if you're local to London, then that's great. If you're a bit further north, like in the Midlands area, then TUI is probably a better option. We have the evening time when we get there. We're doing outlets, we're doing Target. We didn't do Target in February, so we're excited to do Target. And I saw a Lightning McQueen backpack.
Ciao.
It's like $55, but I'd be lying if I said I weren't tempted. And there's a Disney Villains t-shirt that I'm looking for, but it went viral on TikTok, so chances are it's gonna be gone. Yeah, we're excited. Our breakfast just got here too. You're impressed with your full English. It actually looks really good.
But I had to order the beans separate.
That's a big bowl of beans.
Yeah, but it doesn't come with beans normally. And that's not a full English.
I amended the menu, so it's strawberries, bananas, pancakes and maple syrup, but it was supposed to be like meringue, clotted cream and a load of stuff, but I don't need that before a flight, to be honest. And I have a jug of tea, literally the size of my head. Fresh orange juice. eating pigs, which is not right. It's for everyone. The good news is there's aircon. Like, it's not horribly hot.
So that you can still smell the paint.
One of my worries was that it was going to be really hot in here if it's like a small, not a modern airport, but it's nice and cool. I would actually quite like to go to that, the Kennedy Space Center. We've never actually spoke about doing that.
No.
Straight on the escalator, baggage claim, immigration. Have a great holiday.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Such a gentleman. This is nice. I don't know what we were so worried about. It's lovely in here. I think I might buy baggage, which is good. We got very, very lucky. A lot of people still waiting.
Now we have to wait for them in the coach.
Oh god, yeah. We have to wait for them for the transfer. Spaceman. I don't know, I feel like there's signs to do the Kennedy Space Center. Are we closer to the Kennedy Space Center right now or something? Is that why we're seeing loads of stuff? Right, we need to figure out where we go for TUI's transfer. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! I mean, I thought I was ready for the heat. I wasn't ready for the heat. I'm in a woolly cardigan right now. Inside it's fine though, so I'm not going to take it off yet. Hey!
Coach transfer.
We're doing the transfer.
Yes, please take the TUI's down here. They'll tell you what bus
Thank you so much. That was nice and easy. Cars are over there.
In bus and B number 5, right outside the door here.
Thank you.
Have a look there.
Thank you. Welcome.
Oh, there's Mears. Are we on a Mears?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I need to take this cardigan off. But I was prepared for the heat, but this is... I mean, I'm not dressed for it, but I thought I was mentally prepared for the heat. I wasn't.
That was honestly like the quickest out of the airport ever. Like, luckily,
Yeah,
like it's potluck with bags. Like our bags came out
Bags
first.
did come out first.
Hey, I wasn't expecting anybody to see you. Welcome, welcome.
We got lucky, they came out straight away.
Oh, wow.
I didn't expect to be in this soon.
Yeah.
Welcome, where are you headed?
Pop Century.
Pop Century.
Thank you so much.
Sure, you bet.
Okay. You want window seat? Because I had window seat for the flight.
Go on then, what a treat.
So that was good.
About what we were saying before, like it's just potluck, like we got our bags first. Like there is one baggage claim.
There is only one baggage like belt.
That's what I saw anyway. But like
no, I'm pretty sure people said there's only one.
Ours came out first, walked through, security was done in 2 minutes. Yeah.
A lot of people worried us that if like a flight in front of you is delayed, then it can really set you back, because I think there's only like two runs.
It's all weather dependent.
There's only like 2 runways or something like that. But
Wailing, right?
We came straight in, and our bags were one of the first out, which is so lucky. But now we're waiting for everyone else to get here. The airport didn't feel run down at all.
No,
like
it's brand new. Like you can tell, like there's a lot of work going on.
It feels really new. I think a lot of people are worried that it's going to be either a building site or really run down, but it's neither. It feels really new. It is small. I will admit it is small. But that's only really going to bother us flying back out. But we'll show you that on the way back. So we've got USBs in here. Yeah, just USBs. Is that other things there? Or is that just... so if you need to charge your phone, then you're sorted. Currently 2:08 Florida time.
Our flight landed at 1:30.
Landed at 1:30?
Yeah, we spoke to the driver, and our coach is going to have 7 stops. Said Pop Century, I think he's going to stop 2nd today, so we shouldn't be on for too long. Yes, I'm going to go for just after 3:30.
I think, yeah, it depends how quickly this coach fills up, but by the look of the windscreen, I wonder if this will pick it up on here. We've heard about Love Bug season, and this windscreen is giving Love Bug vibes, but I don't know, it just hasn't been cleaned in a while.
It's a classic, it's an only one video. My name is Charlie, I'm going to be your driver. Just a few quick things to mention before we get rolling. Got some entertainment, I'll start back up here in a moment. If you want to charge your cell phones or electronic devices, just look for that little blue light underneath the seat in front of you. In the front row, it'll be below you and between you. And in the back of the coach, it'll be off to the side. There is a bathroom in the back of the coach. Just be real careful trying to use that while we're in motion, which is pretty much going to be most of the time. We got 6 stops today. They're all just a few minutes apart. I try to do it the most efficient route. First stop is going to be Disney's Art of Animation. Right next to that is Pop Century. Just a few minutes away, we're going to pick up Coronado Springs, and then over to the All-Star Resorts, and the first one we'll come to there will be All-Star Music. And then right next to that is All-Star Movies, and then finally Animal Kingdom Lodge. Like I say, just a few minutes between each of those. That first stop, Art of Animation, probably take us about an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes. So all you got to do now is sit back and relax. We're on our way, and you are on holiday. Oh well, folks, since you seem to be in such a good mood today, it's probably the best time to go ahead and let you know. I got good news, but I got bad news. But the good news is you're headed to the most magical place on earth, Central Florida. I think you're going to have some beautiful weather while you're there. And you're on holiday, like I said. All kinds of good news. But the bad news is I just got out of training yesterday, so I've never actually done this before. No, I'm kidding. I've done this so many times I could drive it with my eyes closed, and sometimes just for practice, I'll do just that.